Hey everyone, welcome to the channel of Majestic Tarot and Astrology. So today I'm back here with the reading for the Aries people for the month of February. So dear Aries, your first card is the Devil in your personal life. You are learning to let go of some toxic pattern, or you're being forced to let go of some toxic pattern in your life that you have been continuing for almost a lot of maybe years. And आपको ये एक टॉक्सिक हैबिट पैटर्न जो भी है आपका वो आपको छोड़ना पड़ेगा एंड देन ओनली यू विल मूव अहेड इन योर लाइफ. In the beginning of February, you're facing this. You're facing your toxic style or your toxic behavior. You're coming face to face with that. Then comes the Nine of Cups, because once you are done with facing whatever your toxic traits or habits are, then you will get your happiness, you will get your wish fulfillment. If it is in the case of your love life, then you will get your wish fulfillment once you're done facing your toxic habits and traits, once you're done dealing with those. Okay, the next card is the Empress. So by the end of the month, you will be quite contented and happy with what you have achieved in your personal life. This maybe you have achieved a very stable you, मतलब आप एक स्टेबल लाइफ बना पाए अपने लिए इन टर्म्स ऑफ योर पर्सनल लाइफ, एंड यू फीलिंग वेरी हैप्पी और इन दिस एम्प्रेस एनर्जी कि हाँ मेरे पास सब कुछ है. आई हैव ऑल द पावर आई नीड इन द वर्ल्ड एंड आई हैव एवरीथिंग एंड एवरीबडी बाय माई साइड. So you probably you are almost satisfied with every area of your life, your career, your personal life, and I think maybe your love life as well. For some people, your love life as well. And the bottom of the deck is Seven of Pentacles. So this is indicating that you are working on things and you're willing to work on things, which is a good thing again. And you're working on things in order to build a better um future, or a better life for yourself, your personal life. You're working in your you're working a lot in your personal life, like you're coming to terms with what you need to fix and what you need to let go, and what is it that is workable for you. Yes, see, bottom of the deck, again, to clarify the situation, the card that is coming up is Two of Pentacles. You're learning to balance. You're coming into this energy of balance. For some people, you might be balancing two people in your life, uh, be it in terms of your friends, love life, or maybe in your family. You're trying to balance two people in your family, maybe your mother and father. And also, if that's not your case, then probably you're learning to balance your personal life and your professional life together. So you're coming into the you're trying to balance things. Okay, for your career, the first card that is coming up is Nine of Wands. Maybe you were waiting for some thing to happen in terms of your career. आप किसी प्रोजेक्ट को लेके बहुत एक्साइटेड थे, या आपको लग रहा था बस ये अब मुझे मिल गया, ये मेरे हाथ में आ गया प्रोजेक्ट. दैट कैन बी अ प्रोजेक्ट, अ जॉब, और एन अपॉर्चुनिटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ ए वर्क दैट यू वर वेटिंग फॉर, and you did not got that. Maybe somebody else took that opportunity away, so you're a bit disappointed with your work situation in the beginning of the month. And you're learning some valuable lessons here, I see. It's not like it is just a situation that came and went away. You're learning a lot of valuable lessons, that maybe where is it that you were lacking in your work. You're overall, I see you coming face to face with your weaknesses. Then we have the Strength card in reverse. Maybe this thing, when you come face to face with the whatever to be your weaknesses in terms of your work and whatever it is you're lacking, you may go into this position of self defense. Like, this is the Strength card. Generally, it represents that you're standing strong in your, you're standing strong, you're in your, you're grounded, you're working on everything, you're a strong person, but in reverse it represents that you're going into the self defense mode. Like you don't want people to hurt you, judge you, probably. You're feeling like a, you're not feeling so strong in here. I see that you maybe you're trying to get out of this situation, but you don't know how initially, and you're just feeling like a probably a victim at this point. I didn't wanted to say that word, but that's what this is representing. But by the end of the month, as the money comes in, you will be happy again. You will be quite contented, and yeah, you overall you'll be happy, and you will be looking forward to what life has to offer you more. Okay. So, and bottom of the deck is Nine of Cups. Overall, whatever is happening in your work situation, जो भी हो रहा है, चाहे वो कोई अपॉर्चुनिटी आपके पास आके चली गई हो इन योर वर्क सिचुएशन या वट एवर इट इज़ लीडिंग यू टू अ बेटर pathways, and ultimately it is leading you to the your Nine of Cups, where you will be happily fulfilled by what you are doing or what you are getting in terms of your work. Because by the end of the month you are also getting the card of Queen of Pentacles, so probably the money that you were waiting for, you did not got it from where you expected it to come, but it came anywhere. Anyways, it came from some other place in terms of your work. And this is Nine of Cups here. This is a very good energy, a happiness energy. Yeah, you may need to let go of your ego. See, the sun is in reverse. Generally, it's a very happy card. You may need to let go of something that you maybe were desiring so much, and ultimately, it is you just need to let go of your ego. Once you have let go of your ego, you will see this Nine of Cups of yours. You're operating from a place of your ego, and because of that, you are unable, you're feeling like a victim in the beginning of the month. Okay, guys, that's it for you. Thank you. And if you like the reading, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment if you resonated with it.